Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to export any of the 3D maps from the Google Earth to the Blender and also export as FBX file finally. This FBX file, it is a 3D model which you can use it in any other 3D software. So start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step. The first step, you can just go to my video description to get the software that you need. This is the tool, Google Earth Map 3D Exporter. Just download it, either one of the link. And then once you already get it, it is a zip folder. You have to extract to the folder, and then just open the software. There is this one, the Earth 2 MSFS WPF, this one. Just double click to open. And then from here, select from the map that you want to download. So here I'm going to just search for example, the London. Okay. It can be any building that you want to capture. Just for example, a building at here. Let's say this building. So just use the right click to select it. And then the LOD option here, you just need to open and just make it the highest LOD. Then just click. Then just choose the output folder. You have to choose it properly. And as demo, I will just choose on the desktop, just create a folder. Just name this as building 01. Then select this folder and click download as the first step. Now it is downloading. You have to just wait until it finishes. And then now it will be inside the folder building 01 from here. And then next, just open the Blender 5.1. Okay, from the Blender 5.1, just click and just press A and just press delete to delete everything. Then just click File, Import GLTF. From the desktop, from that folder inside the model library. So for all of this, you click the first one, GLTF, click the first one, then scroll to the bottom, hold the shift, click the last one, click import GLTF. Then here you have to just wait for a while. Here it shows not responding, but you need to be patient. Just wait for a few seconds, it will be ready. So now you can see it already imported here. Alright, so it already imported, but it is without the material texture. You just click here to just turn on, and you can see the material texture is not ready yet. So what can you do? You can just click File, External Data, just click Find the missing file. From the desktop, from that particular folder, the model library, under the texture folder, all are the PNG, you just need to click Find Missing Files. Then it is going to just make every of the files, every of the material texture to be ready. So now it already done. Next, you can just press A to select everything. Then just press Ctrl+J to just combine all of the meshes to become just one single mesh here. And then you can see now the whole 3D model is already here. And of course, you can just export as the FBX file. And now it is ready for you to use in your Blender 3D animation software or any of the 3D modeling at here. So now I'm going to just click File, Export as the FBX file so that you can use it in the future. I'm going to just export it in on the desktop. The path mode here, you need to choose copy, and here just highlight it. You highlight it first, and then this is the path mode here. The copy and highlight is to make sure all of the material texture were embedded inside the FBX file. And here I'm going to just type the file name building 01, export the FBX. Now it finally already exported as the FBX file at here. And this is Blender 5.1. It is really simple. You can just go to the website, go to the link that provided by me to just get the software. You can convert any of the Google Earth 3D map into the Blender or even the FBX file first. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on Google Earth 3D maps into Blender and FBX. If you love my videos tutorials about 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, just subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the mini bell to select all notifications so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. See you.